Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick video just to show you the brand new Valentine's Day sets from Color Street. These go live January 11th at 1 p.m. Central Time. The first one is Chile It Cool, really pretty glitter. Then we have Heart of the Matter. I'll have a better picture of that one at the end. Then It's a Keeper, another glitter. Then we have Love Letter. So some of the nails are different with that set. They're not all the same. Then we have Rose Goes. Same with that one. Some are solid, some have rose prints. Then we have a solid pink called Blushing and Flushing. And here are a couple shots of them all together. There are 6 sets total. They range from $12 to $13, and they are always buy 3, get 1 free. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check out my website below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.